in a circular form. Gently, don't be too harsh with your skin. It's like you're scrubbing.
I love you, boy.
I love you too.
It's you and I.
Baby, it's me and you.
And no matter what they say,
No matter.
I'ma love you every single day.
Let go.
Do you want to look young? Do you want to look fresh before going to bed? I'm going to be showing you guys my routine that gives me my smooth face, glowing face, and this African beauty before I go to bed. Oh yes, I'm loving my skin. Right now, I'm on my nightie and then my hair cap. So don't mind me, okay? This is just bedtime. People are already sleeping, but I'm awake to show you guys the simple and the easiest way of clearing your face before you go to bed. In today's video, we're gonna be using tomato. Tomato is gonna be the ingredient, and the sugar cube. You can use brown sugar. You can use white sugar, the powder one, or any kind of one, but I prefer the sugar cube because it has tiny particles, but they are not really so smooth because they have a little bit of a rough surface. And I have honey here. Yes, honey. This is honey, original honey. Don't just go and buy honey. I said original honey. And I'm going to be giving you guys the meaning of tomato on your face and the effect of tomatoes on your face, and also what tomato does in human body and what tomatoes helps you on your face. So please stay blessed. Stay in this inspiring house. Watch the video from the start to the end so that you will not miss any of my steps, because I want to tell you guys so many things about skin. Personality is about your appearance, so take note of that. Okay, so before I'm gonna start the video, I just want to take a chill. It is a wine. Yes, it's a grape, non-alcoholic. So take your own and drink with me. So my man's cheers to you guys. I love you guys. Okay. This was so good. Guys, I'm going to be telling you guys the importance of tomatoes. Tomatoes are an important ingredient in most beauty treatments. They help cure large pores, treat acne. Some people have acne, so please stay here if you have acne. And also soothing sunburn. Some people have sunburn, and this tomato is gonna help you. And revive dull skin. Some people's skins are very dull. All the time you see it, it looks dirty. The antioxidants in this tomato, especially the lycopene, fight cellular damage and inflammation. Tomatoes work wonderfully well as an astringent, yes, and improve facial texture. They remove excess oils from your skin and keep your face fresh for longer. The vitamin C in tomatoes also brightens your skin tone, especially your face. So we're going to be using these ingredients. I think I have said something about tomatoes, and if you want to know more, you can Google it. But now this is the knowledge I have about tomato, and that's why I want to share with you guys before you're going to use it. So there is no effect in this. It is organic. It's just pure natural remedy. Before I start this, I have another thing I jot down here, because tomatoes helps you to clear out your dirty skin. Yes, it helps you to brighten your face. It helps you to look young. Tomato cures irritated skins. Some people's skins are very irritated. Removes dead and dead skins. Reduce excess production of peels. Youthful appearance. If you want to have this youthful appearance, looking younger and prettier, please, you have to watch this video. Okay guys, now we're gonna go straight to the point. I'm using the sugar cube. Right now it's already here, so I'm gonna mix this together, form a paste. It's kind of yellowish because it's a mixture of honey and sugar. So now I'm gonna cut the tomato. I'm gonna cut it into 4 slices or 2. I think I'm good to go with 2. 2 slices is okay. What you do is wipe your face. If you apply makeup, wash it thoroughly. Then you can scrub this gently without touching your face with your finger, because all the time your hands on your face, your hands can be contaminated with germs and it can give infection to your face. Just try to avoid it. And that's why most people, when they have pimples, their pimples will never go off, because all the time they want to be pinching their pimples or trying to push it up or trying to press it. So that's why whenever the water touches somewhere, you will see that the pimples will just expand throughout your face. So just try to use this. This is very cool because it was in the fridge. So I'm going to be using this here and dab it in here. Are you seeing this? Then I'm going to be using it gently in a circular form. It's very cool. In a circular form, as I told you guys. Gently. Don't be too harsh with your skin. It's like you're scrubbing. After this, when I wash my face and come back here, you guys will see. So you're gonna be dabbing this for 2 minutes, okay? For 2 minutes. As you are scrubbing, press the tomato a bit so that the acidic part of the tomato will touch your face. Gently, like you're applying your foundation. You don't fight with the brush, so don't fight with the tomato. Ooh, I'm really feeling so good because I already know that my face is gonna look smooth. Okay, I'm gonna add again gently. Are you seeing this? Now on my forehead. My insecurity is my forehead. Okay, Mariam, close your eyes. Okay. I bet you if you try this every day and night, you'll come back and thank me later. You don't have to go and buy expensive scrub. I think it's about 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm gonna wash my face and come back and show you guys the outcome. Okay, so stay tuned and come back here and then tell you guys what next to do before you go to bed. Okay, Ramayans, I am back here. Are you seeing my face? Can you tell me the difference? So can you see the difference before I apply the scrub and now? It's very good for oily face. Try and use it. So have you seen the outcome of my face? My face is looking so smooth and at the same time it's looking fresh and brighter. So if you want that youthful appearance, you better do this. You better do it. Okay guys, thank you so much. I love you guys and see you guys in another video and more videos to come on how to treat your skin and to look beautiful and young. Stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye. Okay guys, I've already washed my face. So now can you see the outcome? Are you looking at my face? No makeup, nothing. No foundation, no powder. I just washed my face. Are you seeing how my face is looking smooth, glowing, and bright? It's more brighter than before. And I hope you guys are gonna try this because you're gonna love it. So please do it every night before you go to bed. If you are not a lazy person, please do it in the morning before you go out. Scrub your face before you go out. So I'm just loving my face and I'm feeling my face. It's smooth. Are you seeing this? So please try it, okay? I love you guys. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Use a moisturizer to apply on your face.